Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to explore with a new and interesting Java programming. So the topic is about to generate the strong passwords. Okay, so before moving into the code, let's discuss for what and why we are creating these strong passwords. So as you all know, today there are the wide range of online accounts and the other online activities. So for that, for a defense, as a defensive component, a password is a good option to protect and keep the privacy with us. So creating a strong password means we are protecting our online accounts. For that, we are using the strong passwords. Okay, so the strong passwords can contain the mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, integers, like digits and other special characters. So let's move on to the code. So for that, let's import, as this is a user defined, let's import java util.scanner. Next, we have to create a class, and the public in public the class as a class name, and let's give a pass gen. Yeah, this is okay. Now open the bracket and give the main statement to this. Public static void main string args. Yes, now giving now creating object using the scanner. this is a, this line is mandatory for a user defined program. So scanner input equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, now let's initialize the values. So first, let's this is pass gen. Okay, so first let's initialize the strength length of a password. Okay, we have to find the length of a password. So int, let's give any variable, say for pass length. Yeah, now password, give a value any length, 8 or something. Okay, now create. Now we have to initialize many components like as I said earlier, a password contains uppercase, lowercase, special characters, etc. So let's initialize uppercase. So let's give name as upper, and let's give a value as 0. We have to initialize this and assign this variable as 0. Then variable for lowercase this lower, and a digit variable for digit 0. These are our variables. Okay, and that we can give any variable. Okay, then special equal to 0. Then next, let's print this statement for receiving a password. So this is a printing statement, and enter a password. So in display it will show as enter a password. Then we have to give a password in which it is string value. So we have to give a string variable, say for pass. Yeah, so string pass equal to this statement scans the password which a user gives. Okay, so input dot next line means it will print on next line. So for that we have to initialize a total variable. Okay, so to find the total number, so in total we should assign the length of the password. Yeah, sorry, I haven't given the value. The value is 8. So it's not 0, it's 8. That is, we are assigning a value which we should have in a password. Okay, so by putting the printing statement, we are giving as password is invalid, because if the total is less than the password length, that is 8, then the statement becomes false. Sorry, the statement becomes true and the password is invalid. Then return the value, and by creating the else statement, we are using the looping statement, that is for loop. Before that we had to create a variable for ch, that is character variable. Then for int I equal to int I equal to 0, I is less than the total. Okay, the total which is less than the password length. So is less than or equal to total. Then I plus plus, incrementing the operator. Okay, inside the for loop, the body of the loop will be ch, that is we have declared the ch. In character, ch will be assigned as the pass dot char it. So now what is char it? Char it is a built-in property in Java in which it specifies a position in a string. Okay, it can tell the position, or we can replace it with another character in a string. So we are giving the caret of I, and then if character dot is uppercase, that is it's a is uppercase is a built-in Java property which which converts the string in uppercase value, uppercase letter. Okay, then we have used this upper for is uppercase value. So this upper is assigned to, if the condition is true, then this upper variable will be 1. Okay, later we have given as 0, now 1. Then next, else if character dot is lower. Okay, like is uppercase, is lowercase also a built-in property. So is lowercase of ch, that is it converts the string as lowercase, not converting, it scans the string, that is the password, whether it's lower or upper. Then we have created the variable this lower equal to 1. Okay, if there is a lowercase character, then it will assign the value as 1. Else if character dot is digit is also a built-in property which ranges from 0 to 9. Okay, so the numbers which comes in between the 0 to 9, it will be considered as is digit of ch, that is character. Then else if all these properties are not there in these statements, then else the special character. What is special character? There is no specialized built-in property in Java for special characters like hashtags, ampersand, etc. So if all these statements satisfies false, then the other characters will come under special characters. So we will give special equal to 1, right? And if statement, so in this if statement, we are creating the variables that we have declared, which is assigned to 1. Now this means that this password should contain these uppercase, lowercase, digit and special characters. So for that we are giving inside the if condition, we are using the AND operator. That means all the components are important for this password. So after that, creating the printing statement as system.out.print, inside your password is strong. Okay, so if these components will come is coming under this password, then the password becomes strong. Then if not, else if the condition becomes false, then the password is weak, or yeah, we can give any other sentence like the password is not strong. Okay, and the or the enter the strong password. Yeah. So by this, the program has been finished. Now let's save the program as the class name. The file name should be the class name. Class name is passgen. So passgen dot java. Now run the program and we get first let's compile the program. Whether there's error or not, we can find now. So java c passgen.java. Let's see whether there is any other error or not. Yeah, so the error is ch equal to password. Yeah, so the error comes in Java 16th line. So yeah, so the error is ch equal to password dot caret. It's coming under 16th line. We have given the string value as pass only, right? So pass is the string value, but we have given the password dot caret, that is inside assigning into the ch. So yeah, now it's correct. Now let's again compile the program and look for the errors. Yeah, so there's no errors. Let's run the program. So it will display as enter a password, right? So let's give any password, because now we have to test whether the program is correct or not. So let's say we can add uppercase and lowercase both, and we can also add special characters. Yeah, so the output came, its password is invalid because the number of characters is only 7. Yeah, 1 2 3. Yes, the total number of characters is 7, that is pass dot length is 7. We have seen that it should come above 8. So that's why it's showing that password is invalid. So that's all for today. If you find interesting, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the video. Thank you.